Welcome to the Blooming Health platform. In this video, we'll walk you through our new survey conditional logic feature designed to enhance your survey creation experience. This feature allows you to create dynamic and personalized surveys that adapt based on respondents' answers. Let's start by accessing the Survey Creation tool. From the left-hand navigation panel, select Create/Edit Survey. To create a new survey, click on the Create button at the top right corner of the page. Set the survey availability, define your audience, name your survey, and provide a brief description. Once done, click Save and Continue to add questions and configure your survey. Next, let's add questions to our survey. Click on Add Question and select the question type. You can choose between multiple choice and open-ended questions. Make sure your question text is clear and concise, with a maximum of 500 characters for each question and 50 characters for each answer option in multiple choice questions. For best results, add all your questions before configuring conditional branching. This way, you can visualize the entire survey flow and set up the logic more effectively. Now, let's enhance our survey with conditional logic. Toggle the Conditional Branching switch next to the question you want to branch from. Set up branching paths by selecting the target question for each answer option. This feature ensures that respondents only see questions relevant to their previous answers, creating a more engaging and efficient survey experience. To ensure your survey is accessible to all participants, Blooming Health supports multiple languages. After you have entered your questions, the system will automatically save them. To view translations, switch the language from the top of the page. Currently, direct editing of translations within the survey is not permitted. If you need to adjust the translated text, make changes to the original English version. The system will then reflect these changes in the selected language. Managing your survey questions is straightforward with our intuitive interface. To duplicate a question, click on the kebab menu, 3 vertical dots, next to the question box, and select Duplicate Question. Use the same menu to delete or move a question. Upon clicking Move Question, a panel will open on the right side of the screen where you can shuffle the order of questions. Click Save to confirm the new order. Please note, if you duplicate, delete, or move a question after setting up conditional branching, all conditional branching will be reset. You will be prompted to confirm this reset before proceeding. After setting up all your questions and conditional logic, remember to click the Save button at the top of the page. This ensures your survey is ready for deployment. When analyzing survey responses, it's important to consider the impact of conditional branching. Questions that are skipped due to conditional branching will appear as blank in a user's response. This means that not all respondents will have answers for every question, depending on the branching logic. Keep the branching logic in mind while interpreting the data, as blank responses indicate questions that were not applicable to certain users based on their previous answers. Similar behavior will be reflected on the visualization page, where skipped questions will also appear blank. By integrating conditional logic into your surveys, Blooming Health empowers you to create more effective and participant-friendly surveys. Start using this feature today to boost engagement and collect better data. Thank you for watching.